So question is X matrix with order m by 3 is given, Y matrix with order p by 4, X into Y, multiplication of XY is given, which is equal to Z of order 2 by B. So for three matrices X, Y and Z, find the values of M, P and B. Now this expression is given to us. Okay, now we know multiplication is possible only in one case, when number of column in first row equal to number of row in the second matrix. Okay, number of column in first matrix equal to number of row in the second matrix. That means here from this condition we can get P is equal to 3. Okay, so we can write multiplication is possible only when P equals to 3. Okay, now after multiplying, resultant matrix will be of m by 4 order, isn't it? So x m by 3 y p by 4 should be equal to z m by 4, m by 4. Okay, but this is given to z2 by b. Okay, this multiplication is equal to z of order 2 by b. But by the process of multiplication, we will get z of the z matrix of the order m by 4. So now here also we can compare to get value of m and b. Okay, comparing each order or comparing order of z, m equals to 2 and b is equal to 4. Therefore, all the values will be p is equal to 3, m equal to 2, b equal to 4. In this question, show that if A and B are square matrices such that AB is equal to BA, then A plus B whole square, we have to show that this is A plus B whole square is equal to this expression. So we'll consider here A plus B whole square. See, for matrix we can't write directly like identity form. Okay, for that A plus B square means A plus B into A plus B. So we can use distributive property here, means A into second bracket B into plus B, sorry, plus B into second bracket. Okay, so this A into A will give A square. I'll write afterwards. A into B. Here B into A plus B into B. So A square we can write, and here we want to show that it is equal to 2AB. AB we got, BA we can change because that is also given. AB and BA are equal. Since we know in not all cases AB and BA will be equal. We have seen that multiplication of matrices is not commutative. But here condition is given. AB and BA are equal. So we can use BA is equal to AB. This is given plus B square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. Hence proved. Directly, in case of matrices, directly don't use identity and write. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A. So here condition is given A square equal to A. Then write the value of 7A minus I plus A whole cube, where I is an identity matrix. So here also I plus A whole cube is given. We'll expand this expression. So first consider 7A minus I plus A whole cube. Okay, so now this we can write as I cube plus A cube plus 3 times I plus A. Okay, I'm using the identity in different way. a plus b whole cube identity we have a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3 ab square. Okay, so I am not writing this. What I am writing 3ab and a plus b. This way I can write for matrices. Okay, so a cube plus b cube. So I cube plus a cube 3ia. Now I'll simplify this. I cube will be same I only. A cube I can write as a square into a, and 3i into a will be 3a only, I plus a. Okay, now this a square we can write as a because in question it is given a square is a, and this a we can copy as it is. Now we can open the bracket 3a into I, 3a into a. This will give again a square. This is 3a. This is 3a square. So whenever a square is coming, we'll write a because it is given in the question. A square is a only. So this is a. 3a will be same. 3a square means 3a. Okay. So if you add all our like terms, means 3 plus 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7a. Okay, this will give 7a. Open the bracket. So 7a will get cancelled. Final answer will be minus I. Okay, so what is the value of this expression? Minus I. See, these type of questions are very important. Matrix A is given, A square, condition is given, A square equal to PA. Then write the value of P. So this condition we will use. A square equal to PA is given. So in that expression substitute A value. So since A square is equal to PA. So A square means A into A. A into A is equal to PA. So 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Is equal to P times A. So now we'll multiply these two matrices. Okay. So anyway 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So final matrix also will be 2 by 2 form. So first column, the first row, first column. Okay, this way and this way. So 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Similarly for this term, first row, second column. So 2 into minus 2 means minus 4, and then minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Then for the second row element, second row you should multiply with each of the second matrix column. Means second row first column first, minus 4 and 4 plus 4. This is equal to P we can multiply inside the matrices with each element. So 2P minus 2P minus 2P and 2P will come. 8 minus 8 minus 8. So any one corresponding element you can compare to get the value of P. Suppose first row first element if I'll compare. So I'll get 2P is equal to 8. That implies P is equal to 4. Okay, you can verify by taking one more corresponding element whether we are getting same answer or not. So you can verify, suppose if I take these two elements, again P will be 4. Okay, so P is equal to 4. This is your final answer.